WompleBox from Womple Studio. This is a subscription box that kids receive every month in the mail, and it teaches them about a different country every month. What country do you think is inside this box?
Egypt.
Egypt? Do you think
And the rainforest.
Scotland! WompleBox subscription box is focused on children ages 6 to 11 years old, and each month they focus on a new country. It's a really great opportunity for children to learn more about the world, different cultures, different languages, important things that each country has inside. So let's have a look at the Scotland box. Are you excited?
Yes! I can't wait to open this.
It's going to be so exciting. Let's open it and have a closer look. JP, open for us.
Yay!
Inside each Womple box, you will find a full-length color-illustrated chapter book featuring Womple. 2 STEM activities about the country with all parts included and kid-friendly instructions. A collectible keychain for kids to remember their journey. A pen pal bundle kit with stickers, envelope, paper and postcards for kids to send to family or friends. A fold-out map of the country and country guide with facts and information. Womple Studios is a kids company that makes kids activity kits, puzzles, toys and more that inspire kids to want to learn more about their world. Guys, I really love this pen pal kit because once you've learnt everything today, you can write a letter or a postcard to one of your friends back home or to your granny or your grandpa and send it off and tell them what you learnt about Scotland. Look, it comes with different postcards. So look, there's one for you, Sharky.
Yay.
There's paper so you can write a letter, and there's stickers. Look, of the Highlander, the bagpipes. Isn't that cool?
Dancing.
Great way to remember the Scotland box is with this cool keychain. Every box has a keychain included in it. This is the Highland cow. Included in every kit is a full-length illustrated book. Now this features a character called Womple who appears in every single box, and he's going to tell you a fun story inside. Look how cool this is. It's their currency and their capital city, and it tells you about their population.
Why is this?
Remember the bagpipes? You heard that lady playing the bagpipes. Guys, now I know there's something you're going to really love. Some arts and crafts activities.
Yes!
Who's going to make the monster? The kit includes everything you need to create your arts and crafts.
I really love this, Mom.
Shark, show me what you made.
And it's full on.
Wow, that is
And the
fantastic.
back has a rope.
Wow, because you can wear it. Come stand over here, I'll show you how to wear it. And you can store your money in here. Wear it like this, in the front. And did you know that they also wear kilts, which kind of looks like a skirt? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Whoa, well done, Shark. And what did you make, Japes?
I made a Loch Ness monster. I call him Fred.
Fred the Loch Ness monster. Wow, he sounds a bit, is he friendly? Fred sounds very friendly.
Maybe, maybe not.
Womple Studios was founded by 2 travel-loving explorers who wanted to give kids an easy and cheap way to experience all the amazing places and people around the world. So who wants to visit Scotland? It looks awesome, right? Do you think you'll find the Loch Ness monster?
I'm sure I will. Once I find him, I'm gonna scallywag him and I'll sell him for $300.
Whoa, that is crazy. Guys, go check out the WompleBox and check out all the different countries. They even have a box about South Africa.
Check out their website for more information.